Hello, students. Today we will discuss Philip Larkin's poem Toads. The poet, describing his work as a toad, asks why he should allow this toad to become a burden on his life. He would like to use his wit or intelligence to fling this toad away in order to get rid of it. This toad makes the 6 working days of every week of his life miserable, and he has to endure this toad or his work or his official duties just to pay a few bills or meet his routine expenses. And even the money which he gets for enduring this toad is too little for the amount of work which he has to do. The poet then says that there are many people in this world who do not have to work and who maintain themselves merely by using their wits. There are lecturers, there are persons who speak in an affected manner to impress others. There are the never do wells, there are the idlers and others like them. All such persons manage to exist in this world without becoming paupers. There are many other people, like the gypsies who have no homes and who therefore live in temporary structures or in tents in the town lanes, lighting their fires in buckets. Such people eat just what they get by sheer chance, or they eat tinned sardines, and they even seem to like this mode of living. Such people's children go about barefoot because they cannot afford shoes. The men folk among these people have wretched wives who are as thin as the raised dog. In spite of their poverty, these people manage to exist in the world without starving. The poet wishes that he had courage enough to throw up his job and to tell his employers to keep with them the pension which he would earn if he continues to work till the age of retirement. But he cannot leave his job because he knows that to lead a life without work is something which he can only dream about and not actually adopt. He cannot spurn his job because there is something within him which also is a kind of toad, but which forces him to continue working. This toad like creature dwelling within him has a heavy bottom and is so demanding and stern that the poet cannot resist it. This inner toad, this inner urge to work, would not even allow him to use persuasion or flattery in order to achieve his desire for fame, to marry the girl whom he loves, and to get the money which he needs for his food and other expenses. Of course, he cannot affirm that the toad outside him is an embodiment of the toad like creature inside him. In other words, the toad outside does not personify his inner urge to work. The toad outside forces him to work, and his conscience within him also urges him to work. But the two compulsions are of two different kinds, and it is difficult for him to get rid of either of these compelling forces. The two forces exist side by side, leaving him no choice except to work. Now, do you know what is a toad? A toad is an amphibian animal like the frog having a clumsy body.